Hey, welcome to Combinatorial Math with JavaScript. I'm Dr. Forsey. Stefan Forsey is fine, and I'll start off by showing you a little bit around the website that you'll be using to keep up with the classwork, and then even a little bit of some JavaScript. That's the first lesson is how to write and run JavaScript programs. It's the least barrier to entry of any programming that I know. All you need is as a way to type in some text, taking a note on your phone or other device, and uh, and and then since every device nowadays pretty much has the a browser built in, that's the only thing you need to run your program. So first, let me share my screen, and I'll share the website that we'll be using. And you have a link to that in your Brightspace and email. Here it is. Has a lot of links. Most things you won't need right away. Places to find the course schedule and my other website, my main website at the top. There's a duplicate menu here. This menu at the very top is the same as the one under the course outline. I went ahead and put links in both places so that if you go back to the top, you can find it fast. And if I hit course schedule, that just moves me down the page to this outline. And the first one is day one, which is JavaScript. So that's the place to start. It has a free textbook that is excellent. There's way more than we'll be able to talk about or cover, of course, in the book, and we'll just give a very brief introduction to how to code in JavaScript, and I'll probably give you the option of using what you learn to learn more by using it to work homework problems. The first quick JavaScript program here. When I click on it, it opens it runs the program, and it says "Hello World." So what is stated on the previous page, but which I'll show you now, is that you can see the code for this by clicking up at the address bar and adding to the front of the address the words view dash source colon and hit enter again. Now you can see the JavaScript program. All right. It looks more complicated than it needs to be, but that's because of the way that it's set up so that it runs quickly. And JavaScript is a language for writing interactive websites. So every time that you run JavaScript, you'll actually be looking at a very small, possibly, website, web page. And so this stuff at the top is something that's always going to be there. It'll have these brackets around HTML, the word head, the title, that's optional, but I went ahead and put it in. And then the ending of heading, which is that slash. And then it says body, which is the beginning of your website. And then at the bottom, you'll notice a slash body, that's the end of the website, and slash HTML, the end of the file. All that always there. And this as well, script, which is the actual beginning of your JavaScript program, and slash script. So you can just cut and paste all of that. And it wouldn't hurt me to highlight it all and hit Control C or Command C so that I can cut and paste somewhere else. In the middle is the portion that actually writes "Hello World" to two places, actually. One is to my website. That's the one that we saw when I opened it. And the other is to the console, which is another way to output information. It's privately output so that it doesn't show up on your website but you can also look at it whenever you want. To see the console, what you do is in your browser, open something called Tools.